Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to, well crap, I messed up the intro. Anyways, so I was rewatching the Alvinblox, Roblox Studio tutorial, and he made a dice game for the tutorial, and I want to revamp that dice game. Sorry for the background. If you have a younger sibling, you will definitely understand why there's so much noise in the background. Just consequences of having a younger sister. Anyways, okay. So I'm gonna show you how to make a game like this. Let me just open the dice game example thing, whatever. Please load. Okay, so I actually recorded this already, but thanks to my very useful online recorder that I had, it didn't record. It only recorded the audio. So that's not very good, ain't it? So wait 6 seconds for the dice to drop, and type reset to reset the dice. Play. So you wait so it's looking here, and you wait 6 seconds, and yeah, type reset. And if you type reset, it'll reset the dice. So you're gonna click new, get a new Roblox Studio project. It's loading. I'm just gonna close this. And also snipping tool. So much stuff open. Anyways, so first you want to open Toolbox and search up dice. You're gonna want to use this one because this is the one I used. Okay, I don't want to duplicate. So now we have two. I didn't mean to open that tab. Okay, so this is dice 1, and this is dice 2. Okay, I'm gonna move the spawn way over there so you don't see your character. And if you just delete it, it'll just spawn where the player's spawn, which is like in the middle of the base play. And I don't think none of us want that. Let's just let's move this over there. There we go, that works. So we're gonna put these two up like this, and this works. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. Same with this one. Give me 1 second. Okay, the audio is quieter now, and sorry for the quiet audio before, because I have a very low mic and I have to go like really close to actually capture all the audio. So I'll just do this entire thing like this. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not some horrible leeching monster. I'm gonna have a good distance still. I'm gonna be yelling a little bit though. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this in unusual ways. Put this like this, like that. This works. Now we're gonna add in a part, and this part is gonna be called camera focus part 2. Camera focus part. Now you're gonna add in screen drawer, and now you're gonna add in this local script. This is where you get in the juicy stuff. Oh yeah, forgot one thing. To get all this out of the way, in the script for the dice, you're gonna add the natural script, and you're gonna do game dot workspace dot dice 2, because it's dice 2 in this case, dot anchored equals false. I'm gonna copy this for the other one, and this has to be anchored. How about this one? Add the script here, and paste that. In this case, it's gonna be dice 1. go. Now we're gonna type in this local script. Yep. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna call this camera GUI. Camera GUI. Because it's gonna be the camera. Oh yeah, one thing. I keep forgetting. I'm so forgetful. So we did type this right, but we just want to enter times. You're gonna do wait 6 or however many seconds you would like for it to wait, and just delete that. The same with this script. You're gonna copy this. Sorry for the background. Sibling, alright. Best shortcut 2020. 1 in this case. 6. There we go. I suck. Okay. Okay. Local camera equals workspace dot current camera, and 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Wait. Sorry if I'm a little slow today. I was planning after I record. I would not do anything else, but since it didn't record, I have to restart. So yeah. Wait. So camera dot camera type equals nm dot camera type dot scriptable, and do this, and then print, and if it works, it'll print this. So I'll put camera dot camera type, and then need to delete that, and until camera dot camera type equals nm dot camera type dot scriptable, and you're going to enter camera dot cframe dot cframe equals workspace dot camera focus part dot cframe. There we go. Okay. So now that's all the way. We're gonna add a part. So if this is the right way, then it'll be displaying that little block right there. Is it loading? So yeah, this is the right way. No, not this. This. Come on. Rotate. Putting this down. And it's gonna be going up. Up, 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 up. Put this like this. Now we're gonna play. Okay, it dropped, but it still has the same position, and these dice dropped as well. So, just gonna put this as anchored, and this block we're gonna delete because we have no use for it anymore. Now we're gonna add the reset thing. So what it does is that it actually kicks you, but so it gives the user so it rejoins, so it's technically restarting it. Okay. So let me find it. Okay, so restart. Game dot players dot player added connect function. Okay, wait. What the heck? Why did it do that? Why is this happening? Okay. Player dot player chatted, or just player dot. sorry about that. The recording ended, but so now we can do it. It got cut off. Okay. So player dot chatted connect function. Let me delete this. Then MSG. Now, if MSG equals, and then in quotes, I need to copy in quotes because my quotes is messed up. Because my quotes is E. It's an E with a little squiggle on top. Okay. That's it. Message. Reset. Then player kick rejoin. I think, yeah, there's a space. Rejoin, because it's gonna tell the player to rejoin. Oh, it needs to be in quotes. I forgot quotes. And boom. So I think that's it. Now we need to add two text labels. So this first one, we're gonna drag it here, extend it, and this is gonna say wait 6 seconds for the dice to drop. Wait 6 seconds for the dice to drop. Do sci-fi. Text size 28. There we go. So I really like sci-fi. That font. Okay, background transparency 1. Okay, and we're gonna just Control-C, Control-V. And we're gonna break this just over here. This is gonna be called. This is gonna do type reset to reset the dices. And then so I'm gonna publish to Roblox as, and publish as tutorial for YouTube, overwrite. Okay. So I'm gonna go to roblox.com, create, I'm gonna go to tutorial for YouTube, and I'm gonna open Roblox. So only 3 minutes in this recording. So yeah. It's loading. Oh, I think it's already loaded. And great. And now I need to play again because I didn't see that it loaded. Okay, starting Roblox. Okay, let's drag this over here. Sorry for tutorial in this case. Wait for 6 seconds for their ball to drop. Try that the dices and a reset. And when you type reset, it kicks it and it tells you to rejoin. And yeah. So that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. And also, I'll leave the Roblox Studio thing in the description. And yeah, goodbye.